With Beats Solo Buds, our little Beats family just got smaller. These mighty small earbuds have that big, iconic Beats sound, all packed into the tiniest, lightest, most compact case we've ever made. It took some serious innovations in engineering to make these little wonders. They can even charge up directly from your other devices. But as always, it all starts with the sound. We designed Beats Solo Buds from the ground up with a custom-built acoustic architecture that delivers powerful, clear sound. You want to hear the full range and emotion of your music, so we developed a cleanly balanced audio profile tuned for music first. Each bud is powered by dual-layer drivers designed to minimize distortion. This dual-layer system combines high-fidelity power with uncompromising clarity and warmth. Leveraging years of research, we purposefully positioned the drivers parallel to their acoustic nozzles. We call these Axial Align drivers. In other words, the components work together to channel sound directly to your ears. Even the earbuds' laser-cut Microv Vents are designed to make listening better. They allow for deeper, tighter bass while gently reducing air pressure for extra comfort, too. Great sound means nothing without a great fit. The nozzles have an ergonomic design to fit more naturally. They come with 4 ear tip sizes to enhance comfort and passive noise isolation for different ear shapes. We made sure they'd feel good to wear all day long because they feature up to 18 hours of battery life. Need extra power on the go? Charge them right from your phone, tablet, or laptop while they're in the super pocketable, super sleek case. Thanks to Fast Fuel, you get an hour of power from just a 5-minute charge. Whether you're on iOS or Android, Beats Solo Buds are ready to go. You get one-touch pairing, instant setup across your devices, and Find My or Find My Device right out of the box. They deliver exceptional call quality, too. Each earbud has its own advanced microphone powered by a noise-learning algorithm for crystal clarity. We know you love that big Beats sound. Now, it's jam-packed into our smallest package ever.